Hey everybody, I'm so happy to see you here. Today I'll be doing my hair and makeup and teaching you how to be hot. So I'll be using the hair iron just to straighten out my hair and just to add a little bit of texture and giving it that wavy look that I want. Now I'll be using this volumizing hairspray to set in the hair, protect it, and add volume wherever it's needed. Now since my hair will be covering most of my brows, I'm just going to be using a regular mascara to make my brows look a little bit thick on the inside. Now I'm going to be using concealer on my under eyes as well as the rest of my forehead. So what I'm doing, or what I find the most natural way to put on concealer, is just to put on a tiny bit of dots, not everywhere under the eye, but just where the dark color is, and I'm just going to gently tap it in. Now I'm going in with this base color. It's just a creamy color. I don't know. I don't know if you can probably tell, but I'm not really good at doing hair and makeup. I kind of just started learning, but I think the best way to learn is just to try it out. Now with a darker shade, I'm going to be applying it on the inner part of my lids as well as the outer part, because on the inside in the middle, I'm going to be putting a little bit of shimmer and I want to add dimension, which is why I'm focusing on the inner and outside corners. Now I'm going in with this darker color just to start lining my eyes before I put on eyeliner. I find that this helps you blend in the eyeliner and make it look more natural. Now I'm really bad at eyeliner, but I find the best way to do it is just to try to draw somewhat of a straight line, because especially if you want to elongate the eye, so just starting with sort of the middle part and then slowly drag it out. And what you want to do is you don't want to make the same thickness of a line throughout your entire eye, because that's going to take away the 3 dimension of your eye. So I got some really cool products from Yesstyle, and this is a lip and cheek gel, so I'm going to be using it as a tiny bit of blush on the side. And now I just put on some clothing and some accessories and you're done with the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys comment down what you think of this look and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. See you in the next video.